Today's Zulu word is Ibheshu, the traditional leather apron worn by Zulu men. It's made from cowhide and tied around the waist. Ibheshu is more than just clothing, it's a symbol of manhood, respect, and heritage. In ancient times, a young man received his Ibheshu as a sign that he had become a man, strong, responsible, and ready to lead. Even today, you'll see Ibheshu at weddings, ceremonies, and cultural celebrations across KwaZulu-Natal. When a man wears Ibheshu, he carries the pride of generations. It's not just fashion, it's identity. Like and subscribe.